Don't you think that car alarms have kind of outlived their usefulness at this point? I mean, used to, if you heard one, you were like, somebody's probably breaking in that car. And now if you hear one, you're like, oh my God, steal it. Get it out of here. Take it with you. Get that horn out of it. It's like phones. I came from a generation that paid for ringtones. Actual sounds that came from your phone to identify who was calling. I don't know if y'all know about this. But we actually paid for them. And now I'm 42 years old, and I think if this little 3-inch square made a noise, I'd hawk it into the backyard. I'd be like, what the hell's that? Why does it make a noise? Make it quit. Shit. Anybody else feel like that?